On June 21st, 2025, the United States carried out a surprise military operation against Iran's nuclear program. It was called Operation Midnight Hammer, and it marked the largest stealth bomber strike in U.S. history. Operation Midnight Hammer was a carefully planned U.S. airstrike targeting three of Iran's most critical nuclear facilities, Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. It involved 7 B-2 stealth bombers, over 125 aircraft, and a U.S. Navy submarine firing cruise missiles. For years, U.S. intelligence had warned that Iran was enriching uranium far beyond civilian use. By mid-2025, Iran was believed to have enough material for 9 nuclear weapons. Diplomatic talks had stalled, and Washington chose to act. The first target was Fordow, a facility buried deep inside a mountain. Then came Natanz, Iran's main uranium enrichment site. Finally, Isfahan, a sprawling complex involved in uranium processing and fuel production. Together, these sites formed the backbone of Iran's nuclear program. The operation began in total secrecy. B-2 bombers took off from Missouri just after midnight. Some flew west as decoys, others east toward Iran. A U.S. submarine launched more than 24 Tomahawk cruise missiles at Isfahan. Then the bombers struck. The U.S. used some of its most powerful weapons. 14 GBU-57/BMOPs, or massive ordnance penetrators, were dropped by B-2S. Each weighs 30,000 pounds and can penetrate 200 feet of concrete. Tomahawk missiles targeted surface buildings at Isfahan. In total, about 75 precision weapons were used. According to U.S. officials, the mission was a success. Fordow and Natanz were heavily damaged, but leaked intelligence suggests the underground centrifuges may still be usable, meaning Iran's program was delayed, not destroyed. Iran fired missiles at U.S. bases in Qatar in retaliation, but caused no casualties. Globally, reactions were mixed. Some allies supported the strike, others feared escalation in the Middle East. U.S. officials insisted it was not about regime change, only about stopping nuclear threats. Operation Midnight Hammer was bold, complex, and controversial, but it didn't end Iran's nuclear program. The world is now watching to see, will Iran rebuild, retaliate, or return to the negotiating table? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Did the strike go too far or not far enough?